Hello and welcome to the 2020 Target Bird Fashion Show. I am going to take you to the fashion show in a few moments. Naturally, the birds are fashionably late. So the birds are very excited about this. They're getting their makeup on and everything. Oh, hi Sarah. Hi Kelsey. Oh, hello everyone. Wow, we have some people ready. Well, enough of me jib-jabbing. Oh, actually, first, an important note. Birds are they cannot get the coronavirus. So before any of the haters pop in, just know that actually we cannot get the coronavirus from them. So this is safe. All right, well, we're going to pop in real quick backstage and see what's going on. Oh, right now we have our makeup artist doing Fuchsia's makeup. Oh, how is it doing?
She's hanging in there. She's very nervous, as birds tend to be sometimes before a show. But she's doing great. She's doing great. She looks beautiful.
Gorgeous. You're doing absolutely gorgeous work. Look at this makeup. Gorgeous. And here we are going to see our DJ Marconi Beets.
Marconi Beets.
We have this is our special DJ who's made us an exclusive soundtrack for the fashion show. All right, we are minutes away from beginning. Everyone, places, everybody, places. Gotta tell all the birds because they are fashionably late. But first, we're gonna hear from our VIP guest, Ms. Honk. Oh, wow, gorgeous. What are you wearing, Ms.? Oh, yes, Gucci. Yes, that looks gorgeous on you. And are you excited for the birds? Do you think any of them are nervous? This is a lot of their first time doing a fashion show. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Well, thank you so much for your input. Honestly, hearing from you, I think the girls are going to be very happy, and all the birds, not just the girl birds. I just want to say thank you, Ms. Honk, for attending. We are just so happy that you are here. All right, well, that being said, it is 6:03 and I do not want to keep the fans waiting. We have all the birds in places. Now, I do want to make a note. This is a seasonal fashion show, so we'll have spring, summer, winter, and fall. We will be beginning with spring, and it'll be very exciting. Oh, God. Now, also a note, these are exclusive birds. You cannot buy them any longer, but you just keep looking at Target and you might find yourself some birds. Now, without further ado, I'd like to start this fashion show.
Oh, Marconi Beets.
We have Rain walking down the carpet right now. She is in an elegant crown. And what a necklace. This is Cora. She has personality for days. And look at those wings. What detail. This is Hat Bird. She's wearing a hat. And here's Hoppy flying down the carpet. She'd like to say, Happy Easter. Next comes in, get out of the frame. You're at the frame. This is Lucky. She is sporting a Kiss Me shirt. Do I dare? And last in our spring collection is Goldie. Freshly dyed beard, Real gold buttons. What more could you ask for? That was our spring collection. Now we're coming into summer. This is just a couple of birds, Yucca and Fuchsia. They're married and they are a handsome couple. They're ready for Hawaii once they can get on an airplane again. Or I guess they could fly. Thank you, Fuchsia and Yucca. Oh, what's this? Is this intruders? Security! Security! Oh my God! Security! Okay. Poor connection. Okay, we're back. Oh, that was horrible. Next in the fashion show is fall.
Oh, Marconi Beets.
All right. We're starting this line off with Cackles. She's wearing a witch mask and a gorgeous hat and cape combo. I wish I had a cape like that. This is Magic. He is wearing a cat mask. I guess he's the one scaring the cats tonight. Spookster coming down the runway. This is Spookster. He is spooky. Clausen taking a stand. This is a real bird dressed as a werewolf. And Tubert flying in. Does he look familiar to you? Jekyll and Hyde, maybe. Very handsome. I wish I had a coat like that. This is Jackster. He is the finale of the fall season. He is a magician, not a mayor, but a magician. All right. Thank you for joining the fall section. This is our big last section, winter. And this is going to be winter. I just want to say hello and thank you for joining our big fashion show. Ready, everybody? Winter. This is a kilo. Look at her hopping with this beautiful double puff hat, finely knit. Nieva on the way. What beautiful knit hat, knit with a very small pair of knitting sticks. This is our beauty in white. Her name is Rue, and isn't she gorgeous? She looks like a snowball. Here comes Holly.
Marconi Beets.
She is an elf, hardworking, jingle jangle, loves Christmas and helping Santa. Next, we have Cherry Bowl. This is a Santa knockoff. Really gorgeous, though. A Gucci version of Santa with 2 puffs and a gorgeous outfit. Now this is our final outfit. Deckard is decked in a gorgeous tree outfit. Lots of dangly lights, a finely knit sweater, and a gorgeous tail. Wow. Thank you, everyone. If I can get all the birds on the runway to come out for final looks. Oh, yes. Hey, we want to know from you, who is your favorite bird? There's Hatbird. There was someone asking for Hatbird earlier. Now, this is not a real werewolf. This is actually a real bird dressed as a fake werewolf. All right, birds. Here it is. One last look. Wow. Thank you so much for joining our fashion show. Hey, trespassers! Trespassers! Security! Security! We need security! Oh my god. Oh my god. Please. Oh, this has really turned out to be something. I just want to thank all of our viewers for joining us on this fashion show. Boy, are we sweaty. Right, birds? Does anyone have any questions for any of us? Myself, any of the birds, our DJ Marconi, or our makeup artist? Did they murder the llama? No, but we did put them in jail. We put the llamas in jail. Any other questions? The bird's diet is very simple. Seeds. Let's see. The birds do have souls you can see in their eyes. Oh my god, there's so many questions.
Trying to monitor.
Yeah, you can purchase birds similar to these either on Target.com, but also keep in mind you can buy them on eBay. There's actually these really nice fall birds which wear bonnets, and they run for $30 a pop on eBay. So if anyone wants to send them to me, I can add them for next year's fashion show. Oh, DJ Marconi, questions about your soundtrack. What was your inspiration, and is the track available?
The track will be available. My inspiration came from my feathered friends. If they didn't exist, the track wouldn't exist. So.
Okay, that was nice. Who is the most humble of the birds? You know what? And this is going to sound insane to you guys because it sounded like she was one of the favorites, but Hatbird actually is really humble. She hasn't even looked in the mirror once today and said how good she looks. So that's crazy. Oh, DJ, are you single? DJ Marconi.
Music is my lover.
Okay. The Crow security is actually not for hire. They just follow our troop around. Oh, Rue is beauty. Rue is grace. Thank you so much. I'll tell her. Yeah, so is there any other final questions before we tap out? Someone, Franzia Harris, just said, is it me or does Matt look like a Sprouse twin? He wishes. And yes, Kelsey, those are DJ Marconi's worm glasses. The birds. Our neighbor has commented that birds are too loud. But the thing is about it is we can't really control them. They're models, they're creatives, and we don't have that much control over them, unfortunately. So, wow. Anyway, Okay, well, thank you all so much for joining this live stream. Hopefully, I don't know how Instagram Live works at all, but hopefully we'll be able to post this or something so you can see the actual Instagram. I know Marconi does not have eyes, by the way.
I'm sonar is how I see. Sonar.
Okay, yeah.
Like a dolphin.
Yeah. So, Target Bird the Musical. Well, we have some time to make that, Bo. So that's actually a great suggestion. All right. Well, thank you all so much for joining the Bird Fashion Show. We spent like a few hours today setting it up. So we just really appreciate the fans for coming. So any last pressing words from the makeup artist and DJ Marconi?
It's bird fashion.
It's bird fashion.
And if anyone knows any Target reps, just let them know that I would love to do this again. I'd love to be sponsored by Target Birds, Featherly Friends. All right. Well, I hope this is encouraging to you to buy your own birds. And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.